In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the chart data source in Monday.com. Let's dive right in to make sure your charts are reflecting exactly what you need them to. First, let's navigate to your Monday board where your chart is displayed. Once you're there, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots. This is usually in the upper corner of the chart. Go ahead and click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This is your gateway to customizing and refining how your chart displays the data. Now that you're on the chart settings page, you'll notice options can vary slightly depending on the type of chart you're dealing with. For instance, if you are working with a bar chart, turn your attention to the section labeled X-axis settings. This is an important part of your chart's anatomy because the X-axis is what defines the fundamental structure that your data will map onto. Within these settings, you have the ability to define which column from your board will serve as the data source for your chart. This flexibility allows you the power to choose exactly the dataset that best tells your story from the array of information you've collected. On the other hand, if your project requires you to work with a pie chart, don't worry, I've got you covered as well. Just as with the bar chart, your pie chart has its own set of parameters that need customization. In the settings for a pie chart, what you'll want to focus on is the section called Labels. This setting lets you specify which column dictates the labels of your pie slices, crucial for accurately representing the data distribution you're aiming to communicate. After you've made your selections in either the X-axis settings for bar charts or the Labels section for pie charts, you'll find that closing the settings is all that stands between you and your freshly updated chart. Simply exit out of the settings menu and voila, your changes will be instantaneously reflected in your chart. Now, your visual data representation should more accurately show the story you're interested in telling or the analysis you plan to conduct. This whole process is straightforward, but gives you incredible control over how you visualize your data. By being selective about which data sources populate your charts, you can ensure more precise reporting and a clearer understanding of your project insights. So, take a moment to review your setup and make these adjustments as necessary. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.